Hello everyone, welcome to PhysioLead. Today I am going to explain structure of an atom from electrotherapy basic physics. So atom is the smallest particle of an element. Every matter consists of an atom. So this was told by John Dalton. So many studies have been done on atoms. So the first person to tell that matter consists of an atom was John Dalton. Then the atom's structure was described by John J.J. Thomson, and then it was further modified by the Rutherford and Neil Bohr. So what are the components of an atom? Atom consists of nucleus and electrons. Nucleus is centrally located and electrons are peripherally revolving around the nucleus. So this is the structure of an atom in which the nucleus is centrally present, and around the fixed orbits the electrons, that are negatively charged particles, are revolving. So we are going to discuss about the nucleus. So nucleus consists of protons and neutrons. So to easily remember, we can write pen. Pen means protons, electrons and neutrons. These are the components of the atom. So nucleus consists of the protons and neutrons. Here the protons and neutrons are centrally located and they are present in the nucleus, and these are bound together by strong nuclear forces, and the entire mass of the atom is concentrated in the nucleus itself. So in the nucleus, as I said, as I said before only, that atom is the smallest particle, so its diameter is 10 to the power of minus 10 meters, and in atom we are having nucleus, so the nucleus should be more smaller than an atom, right? So atom's diameter, nucleus diameter is 10 to the power of minus 15 to 10 to the power of minus 14 meters. So now let's discuss about the protons. Protons are the positively charged and the largest particles of an atom which are present in the nucleus. So the number of protons determine our atomic number. So atomic number is nothing but our number of protons. Example, hydrogen 1. Atomic number is 1. That means the protons are 1. So in case of carbon it's 6. The number of protons in carbon are 6. And proton is discovered by Goldstein. Now we are going to learn neutrons. Neutrons are nothing but the neutral charge. They are electrically neutral in charge and that does not have any charge, and they are also present in the center, that is in the nucleus. And the nucleus is the nucleus is discovered by James Chadwick. So the number of protons and the number of neutrons together called as the together form of give us a atomic mass. So before only I said the entire mass of the atom is concentrated in the center, that is in the nucleus. So these both, the protons and the neutrons, together combine and give the atomic mass. So usually almost all the small particles, small elements, have equal number of protons and neutrons, but few elements, that is larger elements, have different number of neutrons. That means those elements form isotopes. Isotopes are nothing but they will be having same number of protons but different number of neutrons. Neutrons will be varying according to the situation. Example, if we take carbon's atomic number is 6, that means it has protons. How many number of protons we have? That is 6 protons we have. So neutrons should be also 6, but in case of this it has 6, 7 and 8 neutrons. So what will be the atomic mass here? 6 plus 6, 12, 13 and 14. So here these kind of atoms are called these kind of elements are called isotopes, where the number of protons is same but the number of neutrons are varying. These are called isotopes. After protons and neutrons, we are going to electrons. Electrons, they are the very smallest particle in the atom. So their electrons mass is 1 by 1837th part of the mass of a proton. Proton is only small. In that 1 by 1837th part is the mass of the electron. In spite of being such small, it is the main element, it is the main part that is responsible for the physical and chemical activities of an atom. So these electrons, I said earlier, they are the negative charged particles which are revolving around the nucleus in fixed paths called orbits. So the nucleus and the electron will be attracted, that because here we are having positively charged and here it is a negatively charged. As we know, positive and negative charge attract, opposite charge attract. So the electrons which are present close to the nucleus have strong attractive forces, but the electrons which are present far to the nucleus are having weak attractive forces. The electrons which are bound close to the nucleus are called bounded electrons. So bounded electrons are nothing but the electrons which are present close to the nucleus, whereas the electrons which are far away from the nucleus have weak attractive forces, and this is responsible for easily removing the electrons from the outer shell. And these type of electrons are called free electrons, and these electrons are only responsible for the other action. So according to this distance and the attractive forces, we can tell that force of attraction between the electron and the nucleus is inversely proportional to the distance between them. So this is all about the structure of an atom. And one more last point I forgot, that is the electrons are discovered by the J.J. Thomson. So this is all about your structure of an atom. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you want any notes, please comment. Thank you.